We are pleased to show you the 2020 Blazer. Chevrolet Blazer is fun to drive around town, comfortable to ride in, and decently capable off-road. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors, privacy glass, remote trunk release, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.